Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete message on the Google Chat. So open your Google Chat apps, but I'm going to open Gmail and just click on the chat rooms and select the chat you like to delete and click on the name of the account. Just click and select delete conversation. Delete. So chat has been deleted. That's it. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.